Our immersion thing is over here.
So I need a
And,
half a cup for
it is right here.
that.
This is your immersion. This is a Hamilton Beach. So we're going to show you guys how to do that. So she hooks it on. Wait a minute, how'd you put that on?
It just twists on.
Well, let's see how you do it.
Twists on. It snaps.
You can slow down just a tad here because our...
I'm trying to get my other thing done too.
Yeah, we're going to get it done.
Will this fit in here?
I don't think so. I think we need a bigger one.
No.
Let's get a bigger one. So luckily we have bigger ones. Here they are. We're going to use the big Pyrex. So this, anchor. We're going to use this big anchor hocking. We're going to put a bunch in there. All right, and we're going to use the Hamilton Beach immersive blender. Is that it?
That's it.
All right, so she's got it all set. Now, what do you press to do it?
You just press it on. There's
That's
just
it?
on.
Wow. Here it is. This is the Hamilton Beach. And that's the button up there. What's this other button? Oh, 2 is high.
I think
One. So this is
I don't
2.
even remember.
Let me do it. That's 2. Oh, there. You got to really push it. And this is low here. Here's high. You want to see what it looks like from this end? Check it out.
Right.
That's it right there. Watch. Don't want to get your fingers near
So
that.
good.
Oh my God.
So I'll mix this in with my pasta. And
Does it taste good? Yeah. All right, that's it right
It's
there.
hot.
I got to take
Probably
a
use a little
taste.
more pepper. It's hot. Blow it. Blow it. Hot, hot, hot.
Mmm, good.
Not good?
Highly recommend. All right, so
Make that since
to
I
get
had
this
it.
off, I twist it. Which way do I twist it? Oh, there we go. All right, to get it on, you go like this.
That's so good.
Get it off, you go like that. On. Off. So it has like a catch. When I first put it there, then I got it twisted hard, and then it locks in. And then I can go woo, woo. Super speed, low speed. Fast speed, low speed. Take it off, damn. Then you just gotta rinse it and wash it. That's it. That's what it looks like. And a cord, of course. Plug it into the socket over here. Looks good. Now we gotta wash everything.